Students, today we are back again, and today we will start a new chapter, Olympic Granny. Chapter number 3. You can get this in page number 27. 27, Olympic Granny. Hope you all are ready. So by the name we can understand that Olympic Granny means we will read here in this poem about a grandma who is good at sports. Just like athletes and all compete in the sports, the granny is also a good competitor, and that is why the name of the poem is given Olympic Granny. So here, speak to your grandmother or any elderly woman from your neighborhood and ask her which sport or sports did she enjoy playing when she was young. Also, ask her if she would still like to play any of them. Here what you have to do at home, you have to talk to your grandma and ask which sport she liked when she was young, means which sport she played when she was young. You can ask your grandmother or any other woman in your neighborhood that which sport she liked to play, and also ask them whether they would like to play the same sport now, still like to play any one of them. Okay, which sport, or it may be sports also. So you will note this and you will write here. Okay, so let's now begin the poem. So see what's written here. Granny excels in every sport despite her old age. Read the poem to know more about her. Okay, so here it's written that the grandma about whom the poem is written is very expert in all kinds of sports. Okay, so despite her old age, she is good in all kinds of sports. No one can beat her in anything. So this is a poem written by Ken Nesbitt. So let's now begin the poem. When grandma goes for gold in the Olympic games this year, she'll laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. So the poet is saying that when grandma goes for gold in the Olympic games this year, means when grandma goes to the Olympics this year to win the gold medal, she will laugh at all her competitors because, see, why will she laugh at all her competitors? Just because she is so much confident in her. So she's so much confident with herself that she will laugh at her competitors. She will just face her competitors with a smile and make them quake with fear. Here, quake means shake. So the poet wants to tell that when grandma goes to win the gold medal in the Olympic games this year, she's going to laugh at all her competitors, and she's going to shake them. She's going to make them shake with fear. See how confident she is. She's 99 years old, but in athletics, she's been blessed. The trouble is she can't decide which sport she plays the best. So now we get to know her age. She is 99 years old, but in athletics she's been blessed. She's just been blessed. Yes, we can say that she is blessed because at the age of 99 years old, who goes to the Olympic games to win gold and with such confidence? The trouble is she can't decide which sport she plays the best. The one trouble is there, which is she can't decide for herself that in which kind of game she is the best, because she can play every game. She can play many games so nicely, that she even can't decide, that she herself can't decide that which game she plays the best. She's such an ace at archery. She's queen of the canoe. She's tough to top at taekwondo and table tennis too. So she is an ace at archery. Ace means a person who is very good at doing something, okay? So she is very good at archery and she is the queen of the canoe. Canoe means a kind of boat race where you have to race the boats, and then who will be the winner decides according to the means, just like you do marathon race and all, and that's so same in the same way is that a boat race, okay? So she is good at archery and she is the queen of the boating race, means no one can beat her in that too. She is tough to top at taekwondo. Taekwondo means jump, lifting and doing moves in the air, jumps in the air, okay? So she is very tough at doing taekwondo. And table tennis also means, even in table tennis no one can beat her. See, she is very good at archery. She is the queen, means no one can beat her in canoe. She is the tough to top, means she is very tough at taekwondo also and table tennis also. She dominates the diving board. She trumps the trampoline and lifting weights and wrestling. She is the best you have ever seen. She dominates the diving board, means she is very good at the diving board. Even she is good at trampoline also. Trampoline is an equipment, is a thing for doing moves in the air, okay? Jumps in the air. So she is very good at diving board and also trampoline. And even at lifting weights at this age, you and me also can't think of this now, but at the age of 99, lifting weights and wrestling, in those two things also no one can beat her. She is the best you have ever seen. Yes, we can say her the best because she is good in everything. She is the best. We can say that she is the best lady we have ever seen. She speeds across the swimming pool to slake the summer heat. On BMX and mountain bike, she simply can't be beat. BMX is a kind of bicycle which is rode on the mountains for racing, and slake means to satisfy a wish. Okay. So she speeds across the swimming pool, means she moves when she is in the swimming pool. When she is in the swimming pool, she speeds across, means she becomes the fast. No one can beat her. She speeds across the swimming pool to slake the summer heat. To satisfy means due to the summer heat, as it is very hot, to satisfy a wish means to satisfy her wish of becoming fast, of becoming the winner. She speeds across the swimming pool. On BMX and mountain bike, she simply can't be beat. On BMX, see, at the age of 99, she can even ride bicycles and mountain bikes on the rough roads. When it comes to this riding bikes and bicycles, you have seen how the bicycles are rode on mountains. It's very rough and tough. So she, at the age of 99, she can do that and no one can beat her in those things. She is highest in the high jump and a champ at hammer throwing, magnificent in marathons, remarkable at rowing. So she is highest in the high jump. See, you can imagine, students, can you imagine a lady of 99 years of old who is highest in the high jump? Means when she does the high jump, she's a winner. Means she becomes a winner by jumping high. And a champ at hammer throwing. She's very good at hammer throwing. Even magnificent in marathons. Marathons means races, okay? So, running races. So she is even magnificent in that also, and also very good at rowing. She beats the best at boxing. At the pole vault, she is peerless. Her fencing is the finest. She is positively fearless. She beats the best at boxing. Means when it comes to boxing, she is the best there. And also at the pole vault, she is very peerless. Means matchless. No one can match with her. She is very good at that. Her fencing is the finest. She is positively fearless. She is means very positively. She is fearless. She doesn't fear anyone. She is so confident within herself that she goes and plays any game with very confident and she becomes a winner. She is masterful at basketball. She truly rules the court and equally incredible at every other sport. She is masterful at basketball. Means at basketball she is a master, and when she goes to play the basketball, she rules the court there. Means court means the place where it's played. So there she rules the court. Means she rules the court means, did you understand, students? Means that she is so good at playing basketball that when she starts playing, no one can beat her there. She rules the court means she continuously she goes to throw the ball inside the basket. And equally incredible at every other sport. Means at every other sport she's equally incredible. Means in the same way she is the winner at every other sport and no one can beat her. At the age of 99 also she does all this. But what we find astonishing and something of a shocker is how she wins all contests with her wheelchair and her walker. Means it's truly astonishing that how she wins all the contests with her wheelchair and her walker. Means students, you see her willpower and her dedication towards her sports, that even at the age of 99 when she is in her wheelchair and with her walker, she wins all the sports, and even no one can beat her in anything. So this is the poem written by Ken Nesbitt, and the meaning of the poems are to be learned, and also here about the poet is given. The poet was born on 20th February 1962 in California. He attended National University in San Diego, where he majored in computer science. Okay, his well-known works of poetry for children include Kiss Goodnight, Santa Got Stuck in the Chimney, and When the Teacher Isn't Looking, and other funny school poems among many others. Okay, these are the poems which he has written and also other funny poems. In 2013, Nesbitt was named the Children's Poet Laureate by the Poetry Foundation. Okay, in 2013 he was named the Children's Poet Laureate. So this is a poem, and you go through the poem, and also you have to learn the first 8 lines of the poem.